Hi children, welcome all of you. This is my fourth video of the first unit, personality development. Second segment, which comes under B reading. Every success story is also a story of great failures. Children, this was the ancient philosopher, Greek philosopher Socrates. In those days, people were afraid to go near him, even students, whatnot, everybody. Why no? He looked very puzzling, enigmatic, we say in English. Enigmatic. Enigmatic people means who are very difficult to understand, puzzling. So one day one boy went to him. He asked one typical question, Sir, how can I get success? Would you please tell me? Then what Socrates did, generally would have told in words, but he took the boy to the river, nearby river, and he took the boy into the river and ducked that boy holding his hair into the river. Ducking means what? Putting him inside. So he ducked him, completely putting. So that boy was unable to breathe when he was going inside. He was going and he was fighting for to come out. After some time, Socrates pulled him out holding his hair. The boy came out and he was unable to breathe. Oh my God, sir, what you did? Then Socrates asked, how did you feel when you were under the water? Sir, I was struggling at any cost. I wanted to live. Yes, that's wonderful, my boy. This is what you will get success. If you want success at every moment of life, you should have these type of practical experiences. Then only you get success. So in that way, Socrates was doubted in his time. People were afraid to go. But later on, he became the greatest philosopher of ethics. He was the one who taught the morals across the world. This is the great Abraham Lincoln. From the age of 21 till the age of 51. So almost you can say 30 years. 30 years span of time, failure. Wherever he competed, in whichever position, everywhere he was lost. People thought what an unfortunate man he was. Everywhere losing only. At the age of 52, he was elected the President of the United States. This is true, children. This is history in the United States of America. Would you call him a failure? He could have quit. Many people thought, Are Vaira Babu, this fellow is in the race. He could have quit. No. You could have stopped. No, he didn't stop. Somebody asked him, Sir, Lincoln sir, what is this? Simply he said, defeat was a detour for me. It is not a dead end. Once again, children, defeat was a detour. Detour means, going to one particular point and taking back and coming back. Again, restarting. So that is the patience and perseverance of this great Abraham Lincoln. For 30 years he was a failure. At the age of 52, success came in his life. That is one and only Abraham Lincoln. Children, I think all of you, your favorite Thomas Alva Edison. I think we can never forget this great man. Do you know how many times he failed while inventing the electric bulb? Just 10,000 times. Yeah, it's really real, all of you. Why no? He was a partially deaf old kid, 4-year-old kid when he was sent to school. He was partially deaf. His teacher at the age of 4, she wrote a letter to his mother. I can't teach your son. He is too stupid to learn. That's why better he'll be out of the school. Then what Edison's mother wrote to the teacher, do you know? You don't worry, madam. I'll teach my son myself. And she started teaching him. That means Thomas Edison had only 3 months of formal schooling because he was partially deaf. His mother only was his teacher. And afterwards, you know what is Mr. Edison. That is Thomas Alva Edison, children. So, children, by these great people's lives, we have understood that a burning desire is the starting point of all accomplishments. Just like a small fire cannot give much heat, a weak desire cannot produce great results. And it was proved that behind every success story, undoubtedly there is a great story of failure. So Shivakera concludes this lesson with a beautiful small poem, and he named it If You Think. Children, please go through that. If you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win, but think you can't, it's almost a cinch you won't. If you think you lose, you're lost. For out in the world we find success begins with a fellow's will. It's all in the state of mind. If you think you are outclassed, you are. You've got to think high to rise. You've got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win a prize. Life's battles don't always go to the stronger and faster man, but sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. What words, children? Beautiful, no? So, once again, if you go through, you will see how beautiful every line depicts and motivates not only the failure of everybody, it gives us the great strength and it moves every one of you towards the path of success. So, children, don't ever get distressed or dejected when you get failures in life. So, this is the conclusion of the one and only beautiful lesson. Every success story is undoubtedly is also a story of great failures by Shivakera. Children, hope you enjoyed this beautiful lesson and a small assignment I am giving you. Please don't forget to do, children. Okay? Catch me up in my next coming videos. Okay, until then, bye children.